How to create AT&T account. So if you want to create AT&T account, then first of all you need to open up a browser and then go for the search bar and search for AT&T, and after searching here you will have www.att.com. Click on that, and now you can go for my AT&T, which is here on the upper right, and then you can go for sign in. So after going to the login page, here you will have create option, so you can simply go for this second option. And now to register, first you need to choose an option. You can select the AT&T service that you want to register. So I'll be choosing this email and then click on continue. And now you can create your email address. So first you need to enter your username and then your domain and then your first and last name and then your date of birth and click on continue. And now you have to enter your mobile number and your zip code and then your alternate email. So this is the last step. Enter all of the valuable information, and after entering your information, click on send code, and then you will receive a code to your phone number that you have just entered. But if you didn't receive the code, then you will have this resend code option. You can click on that and then you will again receive the code. So it might take some time to receive the code, it might take some minutes, and after entering that code here, you can simply click on submit, and after submitting, your account will be created. So that's it. That's how you create your AT&T account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.